How to log out of Messenger app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually log out of the Messenger application. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, unfortunately, this process is not possible for iOS users. If you have an iPhone, you will not be able to log out of Messenger. The only thing you can do is delete and then reinstall the app to log into other accounts again. But for Android users, fortunately, this process is possible. Now, just for a heads up, what I recommend you do is make sure you're logged out on your Facebook app as well, right? Because even if you log out on Messenger and then you don't log out of Facebook, later on when you actually log out of Messenger and try to log in, it will automatically log you into the Facebook account over here. So you want to make sure that's not the case, right? So all you need to do is just actually long press on the Messenger application, because Messenger app by default does not have a logout button. You have to use the Android phone's feature, that is to reset the app or to clear the data. Long press on the Messenger app icon, then tap the I button over here. It will take you to the app information page where you need to look and then find the option called storage. Tap on it, tap on clear data, and tap on clear data over here, then click the delete button, and then once you've done that, the data is going to be cleared. Now when you open up Messenger, it's going to reset everything and then start from scratch as to when you first install the Messenger application. If you want to continue with your current Facebook account, that's absolutely fine as well, or you can simply log into another account as you can see and then log into some other accounts necessarily. This is simply how you can log out of Messenger app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.